Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 26th of January. One more dry day today for the state, then we'll deal with some rain at times over the weekend and noticeably colder early next week. There's the upper air look early this morning. Got a short wave coming into West Texas. That's going to be spinning up below in the Gulf of Mexico, the northern Gulf this weekend. That will bring the rain to the state at times. Numbers all over the board. This is why it's not a one-number low in many mornings. Birmingham at 45. It's only 21 degrees colder at Gadsden. They've got 24. Anniston 40. Tuscaloosa 31. That's a function of cloud cover and wind. But everybody warms up nicely. We'll expect a high at or just over 60 today. Around the nation, again, kind of seasonal. Got a tongue of warmer air across the southern plains. And we will turn colder next week. In fact, by Tuesday, highs will likely drop in the 40s, but nothing like that brutal cold we had earlier this month. There's the watch warning map. Got some winter weather advisories out west. The east is quiet. And for the fun of it, we'll check the convective outlook. Maybe some thunder tomorrow on Saturday over the western Gulf Coast. This is day 2. And then day 3, Sunday, maybe some thunder over the Florida Peninsula. And no severe weather expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Precipitation. Heavy rain upper Pacific coast and again along the Gulf Coast. Some pretty decent rains. And we'll take what we can get because understand drought conditions are creeping back in here. In Alabama, amounts will likely exceed 1 inch with heavier totals near the Gulf Coast. And this takes into account the rain we see this weekend and the rain with a cold front toward the end of next week as well. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. Ridging over the east, troughing over the west. And again, for us, the sky will be sunny with a high today at or just over 60 in most spots. Tomorrow, moisture comes back, cloudy. We'll have the chance of some rain at times during the day. Let's go to the high-res NAM here. This might help you if you're trying to plan something. This is noon tomorrow. And you can see it's not raining everywhere, but it could rain on you at that point. But the point is it's not going to rain all day tomorrow. And I'd say the high should be in the upper 50s with clouds. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Rain becoming more widespread. And then Sunday at noon, rain most widespread along and south of Interstate 20. And the rain should be ending from west to east Sunday afternoon. And again, Sunday, the high would be, I'd say, upper 50s in most spots. So kind of wet at times for the weekend. Now let's go to the big view on Sunday. And you can see the surface low is over the northeastern Gulf at that point. Well, let's go to Monday. That feature is on by. And we are dry. The sky will be partly to mostly sunny. Seasonal high should be in the mid-50s. And then Tuesday turns a bit colder. We start the day in the 20s. The high should be in the mid-40s. The sky's sunny. And Wednesday morning will be well down in the 20s. The high Wednesday should be in the 50s. And then Thursday, moisture comes back. Highs in the 50s. Maybe some rain by Thursday night. This is Thursday night. You can see a cold front just north and west of the state. And then a week from today, deep trough over the east. Rain will be ending. And again, the GFS hints at maybe a snowflake or two on the back of this thing, but the European says, nah. This is Friday at noon off the European. It shows rain ending. So we'll mention a chance of rain Thursday night, maybe into Friday of next week. And again, if you're looking for snow, this is the European ensemble output. And of the 51 members, almost all of them show nothing. And of the ones that do show a few snowflakes, it's basically insignificant, except for one member that tries to print, a couple of inches. But the bottom line is this is suggesting no big deal and no worries at this point. But it's a week away, and we'll keep an eye on it. This is the end of the forecast period. The 4th of February, Sunday, looks pretty cold up in Canada. The zonal flow down here, and looks like maybe some rain creeping in here at that point. Check the numbers off the European ensemble. You can see the cold pop next week on Tuesday with the high dropping to 44. And then the next cold shot for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the 2nd through the 4th of February. Highs in the 40s, lows dropping in the 20s. But after that, we go back in the 50s. It looks like it will be a progression of these cold fronts in February, and perhaps with each one, the air could be a bit colder as they pass through. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.